Okay, AI test number 2, question number 4. वो जो ऊपर लिखा ना AI2, that's test 2 of AI. Every subject has 4 tests. So AI test 2, question number 4. Okay, so 2 and 20. What is 2 and 20? What does that mean? 2 and 20. Management fee is 2% and incentive fee is 20%. Okay, the management fee is based on beginning, such as mentioned 2% of beginning, and incentive is calculated before management fees, matlab independent. Before का मतलब है like independent. Okay, the endowment invests 60 million in hedge funds. Okay, and the value of that before fees decreased to 56 in the year 1, and then it increases to 58 in the year 2. Okay, that was 56.2, and then it became 58 in the year 2. Okay, and in the second year, the endowment will be charging management and incentive fees off. So basically, we are asked for this year. This was year 1. We are asked for the year 2. What is the management fee and incentive in the year 2? So I'll do the easy part. Year 2, management fees is 2% of beginning. So we're talking about, I've just put like this guy silent please. I'm talking about this. Okay, Jana, what is the beginning? 56 or 58? 2% of 56.2. So 1 point something something. 1.124. 2% of 56.2. 1.124. I like 1.12 because options are like far away. I'm happy with this कि अभी एक ऑप्शन तो एलिमिनेट होने वाला है. मेरा चांस 33% से 50% आ चुका है. 1.10 तो डिलीट हो रहा है. इंसेंटिव भी 0 भी हो सकता है, तभी भी 1.10 पे जा नहीं सकते हम लोग. तो ए ऑप्शन गेट्स डिलीटेड. सो आई एम गोना बी बिटवीन बी एंड सी. आई एम हैप्पी कि 50% तो मैं एक्यूरेसी आ गया अभी मेरा, मतलब 50% पे अभी आ गया कि 1.10 गेट्स डिलीटेड. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू द इंसेंटिव फी. There is a gain of 1.8. A 58 minus 56.2, there's a gain of 1.8. Now, how many understood that this was a loss reversal gain? It never crossed 60 again. So 60 went down to 56. 4 का loss था. And now 56 to 58, 2 का gain है. But we are not above 60 as of now. So this was a loss reversal gain. And hence incentive fee should be not 0. Because high water mark बोला नहीं था question में. उन्होंने कैसे assume किया high water mark? High water mark was not mentioned over here. So unless it is mentioned, loss reversal gain will attract incentive fees. Never in the question was mentioned high water mark. So high water mark was not there. All gains will attract incentive fee. Okay, so that 56.2 to 58 to 1.8 that will attract the incentive fee. Although it is a loss reversal gain, but because high water mark clause was not there, loss reversal gain will also attract incentive fee. So the gain is 1.8. And the word is like before management fees, so that is independent. So we'll keep it 1.8. We'll not subtract the management fees from that. So we'll keep the gain as 1.8. But wait, there's a hurdle, right? There's a hurdle, 5%. So we'll take that hurdle level के लिए hurdle rate, which is 5%, and do we need to multiply it by beginning or ending? Okay, beginning 56.2. So calculate 5% into 56.2. That's the hurdle level. The hurdle level is 2.8. And the gain of 1.8 is below that hurdle. Okay, so gain of 1.8 is below that hurdle, and because it is below the hurdle is not crossed, incentive fee would be not applicable, incentive will not be there, and hence incentive fee would be 0. So answer should have been 1.12, which is close to 1.15 or which is close to 1.10. That's the stupidity because they said closest to. I mean, in the exam, you'll get 1.12 answer. I don't know. I think 1.12 is closer to 1.10 more, right? Yeah. Then we'll select A as the answer. Okay, so it's closer to 1.1. But yes, the stupidity, 1.12 will be there in the option. Let's check the answer. Gone with C. Wait. Is it a mistake? Wait. Guys, wait, please. Management fee is 1.1. How much we got? Saying 55 ka 2%. There's 55 coming in. Oh, we made a mistake. We made a mistake. 56.2 was before fees. 56.2 में से fees subtract करना हम लोग भूल गए. Wait. 60 became 56.2 in the year 1. This was a tough question actually. But this 56.2 was before fees. 56.2 was before fees decreased to 56.2. यहाँ पे हमने fees subtract नहीं किया. Obviously, incentive is 0 because there's a loss. But management fee would be there, and that would be 2% of beginning funds. 2% of 60. 1.20 was the management fee and incentive was 0. So total fee is 1.20. इसमें से subtract करने के बाद we will get to know 55 was the value at the start of the year, and that 55 became 58. Now the story changes. There could be incentive also now. The entire story changes because of not covering the fees of year 1. Was a very tough question. 56.2 was before fees. We starting with 56.2. No, 56.2 में से year 1 का fees was 1.2. We started with 55. 55 became 58. Although it's a loss reversal gain, but high watermark is not there. So that is going to attract the incentive fee. Okay. Management fee also will be changing now. It will be 2% of beginning, which is 2% of 55. We took it 2% of 56.2. It is 2% of 55, which is 1.10. And now, Athar, what is the gain? The gain is 3. Okay. And because the word is independent, so we are not going to subtract that management fee from this. We'll keep the gain of 3 as it is. Let's look at the hurdle level one more time. It's a 5% hurdle multiplied by beginning 55. Please calculate the hurdle level one more time. 5% multiplied by 55, hurdle level is 2.75, and the 3 gain has crossed the hurdle. So the incentive fee will be applicable. And what's the word? Soft or hard? And because it is soft, it is applicable on the full 3 and not the excess. Full 3 ka 20%, 0.60, and the total fees would be 1.70. It was a tough question. ये wrong है चलेगा, because इसमें year 1 के fees से 56.2 becomes 55, and then the gain is not 56.2 to 58. Gain is not 1.8, gain is 3. 1.8 was not crossing hurdle. 3 is crossing hurdle. It was a tough question. Even I got it wrong. I got it wrong. I didn't look at that. 56.2. Take a note of that. 56.2 was before fees, and hence we calculated the fees and subtracted it for the year 1. Tough question, right?